Driving just got smarter. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 AI-powered dash cams of 2026, packed with real-time alerts, advanced AI features, and 360-degree coverage to keep you safe on the road. If you want the ultimate dash cam for smarter, safer driving, you won't want to miss this list. Number 1. Introducing the Vantrue S1 Pro Max, a dual 4K AI-powered dash cam designed to give you unmatched clarity and smart driving protection. With ultra-sharp dual 4K recording, intelligent AI features, and real-time alerts, this dash cam captures every detail of your journey while keeping you safe on the road. Its advanced sensors and smart detection technology make it perfect for day and night driving, ensuring that every moment is recorded in stunning quality. Number 2. Meet the Botslab G980H dashcam, delivering true 4K vision with the powerful Sony Starvis sensor and an ultra-bright f1.5 lens. Designed to capture every detail on the road, day or night, this dashcam ensures crystal-clear video, sharp colors, and unmatched clarity. With advanced AI detection, it alerts you to potential hazards, records intelligently, and keeps every drive safe and secure. Its sleek design, robust build, and smart features make it perfect for drivers who demand the highest quality footage and reliable protection on every journey. Botslab G980H isn't just a dashcam, it's your ultimate road companion for 4K safety and clarity. Number 3. The Type S T401 Dual View Dashcam, an intelligent dashcam designed to keep you safe and aware on every drive. With dual view recording and AI-powered driver assistance, this dashcam captures both the road ahead and inside your vehicle, while providing smart alerts to help prevent accidents. Its advanced sensors, real-time monitoring, and clear video quality make it the perfect companion for safer, stress-free driving. Type S T401 isn't just a dashcam, it's your smart, AI-powered co-pilot on the road. Number 4. Introducing the Nextbase IQ 4G Smart Dashcam, a revolutionary dashcam that brings real-time alerts, AI-powered monitoring, and 4G connectivity right to your vehicle. Designed to keep you safer on every drive, this smart dashcam captures ultra-clear footage, detects potential hazards, and sends instant alerts to help you avoid accidents before they happen. With 4G connectivity, it allows you to stay connected, upload footage instantly, and access live monitoring anytime, anywhere. Equipped with advanced AI threat detection and intelligent sensors, the Nextbase IQ 4G ensures both your car and passengers are protected. Its sleek design, intuitive interface, and powerful technology make it perfect for everyday driving, long trips, and urban commuting alike. Number 5. Meet the 70-May Dash Cam Omni, the world's first 360-degree AI vision dash cam designed to capture every angle of your drive. With full surround coverage, intelligent AI monitoring, and real-time alerts, this dash cam ensures that no detail goes unnoticed. Whether it's navigating busy streets, monitoring parking, or recording unexpected incidents, the Omni keeps you protected with seamless 360-degree footage. Equipped with smart sensors, advanced AI, and a sleek, compact design, the 70-May Dash Cam Omni not only records in stunning clarity, but also intelligently analyzes driving conditions to provide alerts and assistance when you need it most. 70-May Dash Cam Omni isn't just a camera, it's a complete smart vision system that keeps you safe, aware, and in control on the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.